If you're watching this, then chances are you are looking for a serious way to make money in 2025 without having to work a boring 9-to-5 job forever. Maybe you want extra cash to travel, to pay off debt, or to finally be able to quit your job. Whatever your reason, I'm about to break down the best side hustles you can start, regardless of your current financial situation, to start earning over $300 per day. And some of these side hustles can actually make you a lot more than that. My name is Fred, and I grew up in a lower middle class family. My parents are nurses and we often lacked money, which is why I always had the drive to work extremely hard and to become financially free. And after failing countless times and trying every business model online and listening to all of the bad advice given by the big gurus, I finally cracked the code. And no, I don't have a Rolex or a Ferrari, and I also don't live in Dubai, but I've been able to create my dream life and reach all of my goals so far. So to thank you for being with me on this journey, when we hit 30,000 subs, I'm going to be giving away $2,000. All you need to do is to watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share it with a friend to push it in the algorithm. The first and the most profitable side hustle you can start in 2025 is selling high-ticket services or coaching offers. This is where you take something that you already know, like a skill, a passion, some kind of knowledge that you have, and you turn it into a full-blown business, into a premium coaching or service offer. And here is why this works so well. You can charge over $1,000 per customer, meaning with just one single sale, you can cover up your entire day's goal. And if you were to get 3 clients per month, you can already go full-time on your business and quit your 9-to-5 job. The other pro is that you don't need to have a huge audience. In fact, at the time I'm recording this video, as you can see, I'm not some big influencer with millions of followers. So you don't need to be famous by any means to be able to land high-ticket customers successfully. All you need is to make targeted content to attract your ideal customers to you. And you need to understand that people pay for your expertise. As long as you can solve a painful problem for people, people will gladly pay you. Just think about it. Business owners, professionals, and even everyday people are looking for guidance in many areas of their lives. For example, there's health and fitness coaching. If you know how to get in shape, you can teach others how they can too. A lot of people would be willing to pay you to learn how you've done it. As another example, there's career and leadership coaching. Helping professionals to level up their careers is in high demand. And then, to give you yet another example, there's marketing and business consulting. Because businesses will always pay more to increase their revenue. So how do you actually get started with this side hustle? The first step is to pick a skill or a knowledge area. If you don't know what to pick, if people always ask you for advice in one particular area of life, like health, fitness, even just relationships, it could be anything. That's your clue. Then, the next step after that is to create your offer. What you really want to focus on is solving a painful problem for people. For example, instead of doing some broad fitness coaching, you could help freelancers to land their first high-ticket customer. So you do not need to be a millionaire to help people. You just need to be a few steps ahead of them. Now, how do you go about getting customers? The fastest way is through social media content and outreach. At first, you don't need any paid advertising. Just start by posting valuable content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. And this is exactly how I make upwards of $1,200 per day in profit with my own consulting business. I follow a simple 3-step process to attract my ideal customers and to close high-ticket deals without spending a dime on paid ads. If you want to learn how I'm able to do it, I recorded a free video training in which I break down everything I did step by step. The link will be in the description below. And if you are serious about building your business and making real money, 10, 20, 30k per month, even beyond, you can also book a call with me or my team and we'll see if we can help you. The next side hustle on our list is to sell digital products. This is one of the best ways to make passive income by far in 2025, because instead of trading your time for money, you sell digital products which can be sold an infinite amount of times. So to give you just a few examples, you could be selling ebooks and guides. You could create a short PDF file on a topic that you know really well and charge $10 for it, even $50. I know some recipe books, like healthy fitness recipe books, they sold for over $100, and the guy was making over $150,000 per day with that one ebook. Then there's online courses. You can package your expertise and your knowledge into a well-developed online course. You can typically charge $100 to $500 and even more than that. But the higher the price tag, the more you need to give value to people, of course. And then there's also Notion templates, planners, and workbooks, because people love to purchase digital tools to help them to stay productive. I would much rather buy a Notion template from someone as opposed to trying to figure out how to do it myself, because it's so much more efficient. People pay for convenience. That's also why people can go to the supermarket and buy a sandwich that's already made instead of buying all the ingredients separately and making it themselves. Now, the best part with selling digital products is that you make money 24/7. Once the product is created, you can sell it over and over again with no extra effort, and you don't need to talk to anyone or to do any sales calls. So to start, first, you want to identify a problem that you can solve through digital products. Then, you want to create the product. You can use tools like Canva, like Notion, like Google Docs, and then you want to sell it using social media and an online store. You can utilize platforms like Gumroad, Podia, or ClickFunnels to make the process easier. The next side also on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product and you earn a commission on every sale. This is perfect if you don't want to spend time creating your own product and you just want to make passive income. However, the key to real success with affiliate marketing is to promote high-ticket products. So instead of only earning $5 per cheap Amazon product commission, go for softwares, which cost like a few $100 per month. Go for coaching programs and premium courses that pay you $100 to $500 and more per commission. Now, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? First, you want to find high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. Websites like PartnerStack, Impact, Digistore27 have lots of those. Then, you want to create content around that product. You could have a blog or a channel where you show your face. It could be a TikTok account, an Instagram account, even a Twitter account sometimes. And then, you want to use organic marketing or paid ads to get customers. The downside is that if you go to paid ads, your profit margins will be very small, especially since you're actually only earning a commission, not even the full profit, because you didn't make the product yourself. However, if you do it right, this can bring you consistent passive income every month. Moving on to the next side also on our list, local service-based businesses. So if you're not into online business, it's perfectly fine. If you're more manual, then that's fine too, because some of the easiest ways to earn over $300 per day, it's actually local service businesses. Let me give you some high profit ideas. Pressure washing. It costs almost nothing to get started, but you can make $200 to $500 in profit per client. Then there's mobile car detailing. People love convenience. You can typically charge $100 or more per car. Then there's things like lawn care or snow removal. Again, who wants to do that stuff on their own? They'd much rather pay somebody else to do it. The downside of this one is that it's seasonal, but it is still in high demand. And then there's gutter cleaning, window washing, junk removal, and things like that. The competition is typically pretty low and profits can be high. And again, nobody wants to do that stuff themselves. And this is one of the fastest ways to get customers because you can get started today. So how do you go about getting customers for these offers? You can post in Facebook groups and Craigslist to offer your services. Nowadays, you can also find on the App Store and Google Store apps that allow you to just give services to your neighbors in exchange of a small fee. You can also go door to door or leave flyers in mailboxes. And to get repeat business, you can also incentivize people by giving them discounts. Meaning, if they refer you to another potential customer, you will give them a discount. And then it broadens your pool of potential customers, increasing your income and your profits. People always pay a premium for convenience, so do not underestimate how much profit this can make you. The next side also on our list is YouTube automation. One of the best semi-passive income side hustles right now is YouTube automation. And no, you don't have to be on camera necessarily. A YouTube cash cow channel is a channel where you don't create the content yourself. Instead, you outsource literally everything. The script writing, the voiceover, the editing, and even the thumbnail. So the channel runs fully automated like a real business. So here's how it works. First, you need to pick a profitable niche. Some of the highest paying niches include things like finance, tech, luxury, motivation, health. Then you want to start creating faceless videos. So instead of showing your face, you can use stock footage, AI voiceovers, or even hire freelancers to do everything for you if you have the budget for it. Now you may be wondering, okay, I'm getting some views on my channel, how do I actually monetize it? You can do so with YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, brand deals, and also selling your own products. So when your video starts to get some views, then you can make some serious money. Now there's a metric you need to understand. It's RPM. It means revenue per mile. It's how much money goes into your pocket per 1,000 views. So if you've got a high RPM niche, like business or finance, for example, you could get paid $10 to $30 per 1,000 views. That means if you were to get 100,000 views per month, you could be making $1,000 to $300,000. And if you sell your own products on top of that, and you get brand deals, you can actually multiply that number by 10. Now, if you were to get 1 million views per month, with AdSense revenue alone, you could be making anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000. That doesn't even include any brand deals, sponsorships, or sales from your own products, or even affiliate promotions. So to start, you can hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to do these following tasks for you. Script writing, typically about $10 to $30 per video. Voiceovers, typically between $10 to $50 per video. Video editing, $20 to $100 per video on average. And thumbnails, typically between $5 to $20 per thumbnail design. Or if you want to save money, you can start by doing everything yourself. And as you increase your revenue, as your channel starts to see more success, you can hire people and delegate that work. And this is one of the best ways to make passive income by far. Because when your video is ranked, it keeps getting lots of views, and that can continue for months and for years. So if you're looking for a scalable, a long-term strategy to make passive income, having a YouTube channel in general is a great way to do that. Now, if you're serious about making more money in 2025, I invite you to check out the resources in the description below and watch the free video training I made for you, where I'm going to show you the simple 3-step process I use to make upwards of $1,200 per day with my own consulting business. And then you can also directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you. With that being said, I'll be waiting for you on the other side.